Hi, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can enable or disable Do Not Disturb high status bar icons on your Samsung Galaxy S21 series. First, let's go back to your home screen by tapping on the home key at the bottom of the screen. Then we're going to swipe down at the top and tap on the settings icon. Next, we're going to go down and tap on notifications. In notifications, you want to go down and tap on Do Not Disturb. Then we go down and tap on Hide Notifications. And then make sure that Hide from Notification panel is switched off. Once that is switched off, the two options below that is enabled. And from here, you can tap on Hide Status Bar icons. Tap on the switch to turn it on or off. And that's it. Finally, you can tap on the home key to go back to your home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.